Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of a standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, I shall solve exercise 9A of chapter 9 percentage. In this chapter, we have solved examples, different types of questions, but now solve some important questions of exercise 9A. Question number 4 is convert the ratio 4:5 to percentage. Change 4:5 into percentage. So write 4:5. 4:5. Change equal to, that means 4 by 5. Any fraction, we have to change in percentage, then multiply it by 100%. So 4 by 5 into 100%. Now 25 ja 100. So 24 ja 80%. 80% will be answer of this question. Now next question is 6. Question number 6, which is largest in 6 whole 2 by 3%, 3 by 20%, and 0.1%. All terms change into percentage. So first of all, 6 whole 2 by 3% equal to 6 3 ja 18 by 2. That means write in 6 or 16. Question number 6. So 6 whole write in 6 whole 2 by 3%. Next, it is same. It is already in percentage form. 3 by 20. It is in the fractional form. So this method 4 by 5. It's multiplied by 100%. 100%. 25 ja 100. 25 ja 100. So 5 3 ja 15%. It is in 15%. Now next is decimal form. 0.14. Remove here decimal. So 0.14 excluding decimal, it change into 14 by 100. 14 by 100 means 14%. Students, first is 6 whole 2 by 3%, second is 15%, and third is 14%. So clearly, therefore 15% is the largest. 15% means 3 by 20. So therefore 3 by 20 is largest. 3 by 20 is largest. Answer. Write it. Students, next question is question number 3 of 7. Question number 3 of 7. What percent of 2 liters is 250 milliliter? What percent of 2 liters is 250 milliliter? So let the required percent be x. Let the required percent be x. So according to question, what percent of 2 liters? That means x percent of 2 liters. X percent, what percent? So the required percent be x. According to question, x percent of 2 liters is 250 milliliter. That means 250 milliliter. That implies x percent means x by 100. of 2 liters, here liters and this side milliliter. So 2 liters change into milliliter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. So 2 liters means 2000 milliliter. That means 2000 milliliter equal to 250 milliliter. Students, now 20 to 20 cancel. That implies here x into 20 equal to 250. ml to ml also cancel. That implies x equal to 250 by 20. 0 to 0. 25 by 2. 25 by 2%. That means 12 whole 1 by 2%. And next answer also 12.5%. Write it. Students, next question is written on the board. Question number 9. If 16% of a number is 72, find the number. If 16% of a number is 72, then find the number. So let the number be x. Let the required number be x. According to question, 16% of a number is 72. So 16% of a number, write it, 16% of x equal to 72. That implies 16% means 16 by 100 of x equal to 17. 16 by 100 by transposition, 16 by 100 by transposition change into 100 by 16. So that implies x equal to 72 into 100 by 16. So now cancel it 4 times. 4 for the 16 and 25 for the 100 and 72 divided by 4, 18 for the 25. So multiply here 25 and 18. 25 multiplied by 18. Now 25 8 ja 200. 25 1 ja 25. Now 0, 5 and 2 plus 2, 4. So answer is 450. Here the required number x, then the value of x is 450. So 16% of 450 equal to 72. Write it. Students, next question is question number 10. It's written on this board. A man saves 18% of his monthly income. If he saves rupees 3,780 per month, what is his monthly income? We have to find here monthly income of a man. And man saves how many percent? Then 18%. 18% equal to 3,780. So let the monthly income be, let the monthly income be rupees x. Let the monthly income be rupees x. According to question, or saves save how many percent? 18%. So 18% means 18 by 100 of x or rupees x. So 9 to the 18 and 50 to the 100. That means 9 rupees 9x by 50. According to question, 9x by 50 saves 9x by 50 equal to 3780 rupees 3780. Now that implies x equal to 9 by 50 by transposition change into 50 by 9. So rupees 3780 multiply 50 by 9. 3 plus 7 8, 7 10, 10 plus 8 18. 18 is exactly divisible by 9. So 3718 is exactly divisible by 9. So divide it. 9 4 ja 36. 1 8 18. So 9 2 ja 18 of 0. 0 to 0. That implies 420 multiply by 50. So 1 0, another 0. So 2 0. And 42 multiply by 5. 2 5 ja 10. 10 of 0 also. Carry 1. 4 5 ja 20 plus 1 21. So rupees 21 is the monthly salary of man. The value of x is rupees 21,000 and it is the monthly income of a man. So the monthly income equal to rupees 21,000. Write it. Students, next and last question is question number 12. Amit was given an increment of 20% on his salary. If his new salary is rupees 30,600, what was his salary before the increment? We have to find here salary of Amit before the increment. So let the required salary be rupees x. Let the required salary be rupees x. Now Amit was given an increment of 20%. Increment 20%. After increment, its salary, that means new salary, is 30,600. So according to question, the required salary be rupees x plus increment 20%, that means 20 by 100 of rupees x equal to the new change into new salary. After before increment, the salary is changed into the new salary. So given the new salary is rupees 30,600. Rupees 30,600. 30,600. That implies solve it. 25 ja 100. Now x plus here x by 5 equal to rupees 30,600. In next step, take an LCM of 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 1 5 ja 5, 5 into x 5x plus x 5 1 ja 5, x equal to rupees 30,600. Now change it 5x plus x 6x by 5 equal to rupees 30,600. Now that implies x equal to rupees 30,600 multiply 6 by 5 by transposition change into 5 by 6. 5 by 6. 6 plus 3 9. It is divisible by 6. So cancel it. 6 5 ja 30. Now 0. 6 6. So 6 1 ja 6. One time. Now double 0. Students multiply here. 5,100 into 5. So 0 into 5 0. 0 into 5 0. 1 5 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. So rupees 25,500 answer. Now today homework is solve exercise 9A. Question 1 to last question is 12. Question number 1 to 12. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 9A. Question number 1 to 12. Thank you. That's all.